Yeah, everyone switch on your videos. Even I'm sharing my screen. Just 1 second. You have joined today. Very good. Today I had a hectic day. Where is my phone? Yes. Yeah. Switch on your audios and videos and we'll start our session. Who are there? Mahendra, Meenakshi, Saranya, Varun, Bihan. Mahendra means who is Mahendra?
Yeah, this is Janvi, and she's my
Right.
daughter, Bhargavi. I'm
Okay.
Bhargavi.
No problem. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone switch on your videos too. We'll just start the session. So last class I'm explaining about slopes, right? So be fast, switch on your videos and audios. We'll just start the session. Okay, so I've shared the SAT math workbook with everyone with you. So that is the most important document that we should have. Last you also switch on video and even audio also. Keep it on. If there is no disturbance from your end, if you think there is disturbance from your end, it is up to you. But if you think there is no disturbance, please keep your audios on. So last class we have discussed in detail about slopes. What is slope? What is positive slope? What is negative slope? What are the different ways to find the slope? So everything I have discussed. So today I'll go to the next step and I've shared one book. Even I'll share it here in the WhatsApp again to you all, which is most important. It has all the topics. All our students who got very good scores, they did all the questions from the book. They repeatedly did, not they did. They repeatedly did all the questions and they know how to solve each and every question there in the book. If you can learn how to solve each and every question in the book, and if you can know the best way to solve the question, no one can stop you from getting good scores. Easily you'll get 780 to 790. So that is like a god for SAT math. The book that I shared in the WhatsApp is like god. It has all the questions topic wise, and all the questions are actual SAT questions which have come in the exam. There is no question. Just 1 second. Yes, it's opening up. Let me open my WhatsApp and I'm sharing my screen. Just 1 second, please. Yes. As I said, no, we'll for next 3-4 classes, we'll do linear functions. In every class, I'll explain you few concepts. Today's class, I'm going to explain you no solution, one solution, and infinite solutions. So please do keep that as heading, and I'm sharing my screen and I'll be writing on the screen. Just 1 second, it is taking time to load it. My whiteboard is almost loaded. You'll be able to see just 1 minute, you'll be able to see everything, what I'm writing on the board. So okay. Yes, I've shared my screen. Hope everyone able to see my screen. If you cannot see my screen, please let me know. Now, in linear functions, the next concept that I'm going to discuss with you is one solution, zero solutions, and infinite solutions. Most important concept. 100% you are going to get one question based on this concept. Minimum one, it can go up to 2 questions. You'll get minimum one question. So the next concept in linear functions is one solution, no solutions, and infinite solutions. So, assume a line. I always like Desmos calculator, right? Let me open my Desmos calculator. So Desmos calculator should be always on when you are preparing for SAT. So let me take one line. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. I took some line and I drew this line. So I got a line. Now I'm drawing a different line. Y is equal to 4x plus 5. So clearly I can see both the lines are intersecting at one point, means one solution. So if two lines are intersecting at one point, I can say they have only one solution. So we need to understand when they'll have one solution. So when they'll have one solution, what is the condition to have one solution? If you see the equations of the line, the slope of line 1, you can see the slope of line 1 is 2 and the slope of line 2 is 4. If the slopes are different, so what is the meaning of it? The lines will have only one solution, irrespective whether y-intercepts are same or different. So now see here. See here, I am drawing another line. Y is equal to 4x plus 3. Yeah, I have drawn another line. You can see first line and both are meeting again at only one point. So if the slopes are different, irrespective if the y-intercepts are same or they're different, we'll have only one solution. So what is the condition for one solution? Slopes of the line should be different. Slopes of the lines, whenever they say, okay, what this one solution, immediately your mind should strike what I explained right now. Slopes of the lines should be different. Slopes of the lines should be different. If the slopes of the lines are different, 100% you can assure you'll have only one solution. Whenever the slopes of the lines are different, I can assure I'll have exactly one solution only. There cannot be more than one solution. Hope you are getting my point. Very good. Now, let me give you some questions. How SAT can ask you questions based on this concept. Suppose y is equal to ax plus 3. There is another line, y is equal to 5x plus 6. If the given lines have exactly one solution, what is the value of a? If the given lines have exactly one solution, what is the value of a? Yeah, everyone should answer. Sharni, can unmute yourself from even videos you can on. Last next class you get it ready. Yeah, Vihan, what you are saying, Vihan?
I think anything except 5.
Excellent. So they give many options. Like one option is a is equal to 5. Other option is a is not equal to 5. Other option is a is equal to 10. Something else they give. So answer should be a can be any value except 5. A can be any value except 5. That is what I told you. The given equations have one solution and the slopes are different. Slopes means the coefficients of x are called the slopes. So if you see the question that I mentioned here, if the given lines have exactly one solution, when they'll have one solution, when the slopes are different. What is the slope of this line? A. What is the slope of this line? 5. So when A is not equal to 5, we'll have exactly one solution. My video is off. Sorry. Yeah. When A is not equal to 5, we'll have exactly one solution. Now next condition. 0 solutions. Even this question they can ask you in a difficult way. I'll tell you how they can ask in difficult way. Just give me some time. I'll train you. how to answer. Even if they give you difficult question based on the one solution too, you'll just understand in next few seconds. Just give me some time. First, let us understand the conditions. So sometimes they give lines and they say zero solutions. Again, come back to Desmos. Desmos is our friend, always my best friend, to explain you the concepts. So I'm taking one line as y is equal to 4x plus 3, and other line as y is equal to 4x plus 5. You can clearly see the lines are parallel. They are never intersecting. The lines are just parallel. You go to America, you go to Andaman, you go to wherever you can see they're parallel. They're not intersecting at all. Yes. So the given lines will have zero solutions when the slopes are same. Suppose what happens if y-intercepts are same? Y-intercepts are same. There'll be same lines, they can't be different lines. So the condition is to have zero solutions, slope should be same and y-intercept, these are called y-intercepts, we know that, right? Slope should be same and y-intercept should be different. So the condition for zero solutions is slopes of the lines, understand and write it in your notes. Without understanding, if you write, you'll forget in a second. I am very clear in my mind what I am explaining. If you can understand what I am explaining and write in your notes, you can easily beat SAT. SAT is a smart exam, but we are more smarter than it. So we know how they ask questions and we understand the concept. So you are the king. So understand the concept. Slopes of the lines. Yeah, ma, please. Tell me.
Like tell me what you said before this one.
Okay, sure. You are asking about one solution, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So Charani want about one solution, I'll just tell them. So slopes of the line should be same and y-intercept should be different. For zero solution, the condition is slopes of the line should be same and y-intercept should be different. When I say should be, it is mandatory. I might sound arrogant, but when it is mandatory, we'll use should be. There is no other alternative for it. Whenever it is mandatory, we'll use should be. So slopes of the line should be same, must be same, and y-intercept must be, should be different. Then only we'll have zero solutions. If either of them fails, we'll not have zero solutions. Both should be satisfied. So copy this. I'll go back to the previous concept. I'll explain again. Charan is asking me to explain once. I'll just explain the previous concept. When the given lines will have one solution. Okay. So I'm going back to the previous page. The given lines will have one solution. Take any two lines. Y is equal to 2x plus 10. Other line is y is equal to 5x plus 6. The given lines will have one solution when the slopes are different. Y-intercept can be same, y-intercept can be different, irrelevant. If the slopes are different, if you draw the lines, definitely they'll meet at one point. So that one point is called as a solution of the line. You should be very active, understand everything. I'm working from morning here. This is my 15th or 16th hour. Still I am having 100% of my energy. So you should keep 200% of your energy. You should be very, very careful. Your 100% focus should be on my words. So slopes of the lines should be different and y-intercept can be same or y-intercept can be different. Irrespective of it, you will have exactly one solution. Charani, please tell me if you did not understand, I'll explain again.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So I told you two concepts. One concept is one solution. The other concept that I told you is zero solutions. Now I'll see infinite solutions concept. Next concept is infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. So we'll see when the given lines will have infinite solutions. Infinite solutions means more than so many. So many 100,000 solutions. Solutions with which satisfies. Suppose I have y is equal to 3x plus 4. Suppose I have y is equal to 6x plus 8, for example. So it should satisfy x and y should satisfy this, x and y also should satisfy this. The same number should satisfy both of them, infinite solutions. So the given equations will have infinite solutions when both, see now, I have drawn this line, I have drawn another line. This will get other color, we'll see. Yes, now I am having two different colors. You can see both of them have been merged. Both of them have been merged into one single line. So now one line lying on another line. So infinite solutions. Every point will satisfy both of them. So the given equations will have infinite solutions when slopes are same. When slopes are same and y-intercepts are also same. Slopes are same. Y-intercepts are also same. Slope should be same and y-intercept should be same. When both are same means they are duplicate lines. One line lie above the other line. Then they'll have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Okay, Mummy, actually, I saw your message just now. So if the slopes are same and y-intercepts, for girls it is not mandatory. Even for boys it's not advisable because when camera is on you'll be alert. If not, our minds are fickle, they'll easily deviate. That is the only reason. So slopes are same and y-intercepts are also same. Then we can say the given lines have infinite number of solutions. So I'll give few questions. Let me see how well you understood the concept. So infinite solution means slopes, slope and y-intercept should be same. Slope and y-intercept should be same. Please write it the way I'm writing it on the board. This is the condition for infinite solutions. Everything that I'm explaining on the board should be in your brain, not in your notes. At least write now notes and revise every day for 10 minutes. You'll see miracles. Everything will go into your brain. I've explaining from many years, so it will be in my brain. Even you want me to delete it, can't delete. Practice. So only with practice you become perfect. You do so many subjects, right? There is high probability that you might forget. So continuously, if you can revise the notes, so make your notes perfect. Your notes is your God. Yeah. Now let me give you some questions, actual SAT questions, how they can ask questions based on one solution, zero solution, and infinite solutions. I'll not speak, I'll give the question and you need to answer. If the line ax plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 6x plus 4y. 1 second, I'm framing the question. Plus 16 is equal to 0. Have zero solution. Then the value of A is. Yeah, try to solve this. I'm giving you only exactly 1 minute. You'll get similar actual SAT questions in final exam.
Sir, 6.
Be careful. Who gave me answer? Be careful. Questions can't be so easy. You need to be careful. I gave in the form of, before I explained y equal to mx plus c, but I gave lines now in the form of ax plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. I gave lines in a different form. So you need to be careful. And go back to my concept. Zero solutions. What Venkat said about zero solutions, slope should be same and y-intercept should be different. I am asking what is the value of A. So try to find slope from the first equation and try to find slope from the second equation. equate both of them, then you get answer.
So is it 9 by 2?
What, Vihan?
Is it 9 by 2?
So Vihan says 9 by 2. I want everyone to solve this.
Yes, sir. It is 9 by 2.
Sir, I'm
9.
also getting 9 by 2.
Okay, very good. Excellent. So we discussed slope of a line is minus a by b. So minus a by 3 should be equal to minus 6 by 4. Very good. 3 times, 2 times. Yes, a should be 9 by 2. Very good answer. Perfect answer. See, if you know the concept, it is so simple. SAT is dead simple exam. Easiest of all the exams, I am telling you. It's very easy to get good scores, but you need to know the logic and approach. If not, zero solution, nothing you will do. You'll think, nothing will come out. Okay, perfect. Now I'll show you exact actual questions. I'll download this SAT math workbook. These are sorry, I've been working from morning. I did not. So where did this book? It's I think here. Yes, it is here. Yeah. So I'll show you some questions based on what I explained you. These are all actual questions that have come in the exam. Definitely, there will be many questions based on. These are all linear functions questions. All linear functions questions. We'll do step by step. I'll tell you next concept. Before that, let me make you solve. One thing that you need to learn from the class is how to identify question. When I give you this, okay, this is a linear function question, this is a linear function question, linear equation or linear function question. The moment you can identify the question, no one can stop you from solving it here. No one can stop you. Just might be skipping second. Yes. If it is wasting time, I'll continue and I'll give you, I'll complete everything and I'll come back. But I think I can see some questions here. I think they have 1 or 2 models in this, but I sent you one more sheet. There also 2-3 questions are there. The point of the equation become our lives on this equation. Yeah. Meanwhile, please open the PDF sheet that I have sent you. In that, identify the question which is based on one solution. You can see question number 119. Bit difficult question. It is exactly based on the concept that I explained it to you right now. If you are in a position to identify which concept the question is from, you will get good scores. Please see question number 119. Please see question number 119. 119.
Sir, is it 2.5?
So Saranya says 2.5. Let us see what can be the answer. Everyone, please try to solve and give me answer. Question number 119. Yeah. Now we should be able to see it clearly. 119.
Sir, 2.5.
2.5. Okay. Saranya said 2.5. Amma. What did you say, answer?
Yes, sir,
2.5.
2.5.
2.5. Yeah, everyone says 2.5. Let us see now. So they have infinitely, this is one line, this is one line. They're telling the two lines have infinitely many solutions. This is one line, mx plus c is 4x plus 10. They're asking what is the value of b. So from this, I know clearly the slope should be same and the y-intercept also should be same. So slope is a is equal to 4. AB is equal to 10, 4B is equal to 10, 10 is B is 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2, which is 2.5. Yes, we got the answer that is required. Simple. You need to apply what I explained it to you. Slope should be same and y-intercept should be same. That's it. The moment you can apply what I said, easily you'll get answer. So answer should be 2.5 should be your answer. Perfect answer. Very good. Now keep next heading parallel and perpendicular lines. There are 3 to 4 questions in the PDF sheet that I sent it to you. Please identify in that 75 questions I sent you. Definitely there are 3 to 4 questions. Identify 0, 1 and infinite solutions and please solve them. Next concept is parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel and perpendicular lines. Yeah. Please tell me, when can I say two lines are parallel?
The slopes
When can
are
I say
equal.
when the slopes are same? So two lines are parallel. First condition. When their slopes are same. When their slopes are same. Second condition. When they have zero solutions. You should know both of them. When they have zero solutions. If the slopes are same, definitely they have zero solutions. That is what you have learned. Go and see back my zero solutions concept. When the slopes are same, irrespective of the y-intercepts. So y-intercepts also should be different there. Yeah. So parallel means the slopes are same, means they have zero solutions. When the given lines have zero solutions, the lines are parallel. We can say the lines are perpendicular. We can say the lines are perpendicular when product of the slopes of the lines is -1. Product of the slopes of the lines is -1. When the product of the slopes of the lines is -1, we can say the two lines are perpendicular to each other. We can say the two lines are perpendicular to each other when the product of the slopes of the lines is -1, or we can also say slopes are negative reciprocal to each other, or I'll give you an example. Slopes are negative reciprocal to each other. Slopes are negative reciprocal to each other. We can say lines are perpendicular when the product of the slopes is -1, or slopes are negative reciprocal to each other. Means, you please see here. Can I move on? Did you write what I wrote on the board? Can I move on? Yeah. So see 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Try to find slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? -3 by 4. Now I'm writing another line. 4x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. What is the slope of this line? 4 by 3. So slope of this line is -3 by 4. Slope of this line is 4 by 3. Multiply both the slopes. What you got answer as? -1. So since I am multiplying the slopes of these two lines and I am getting answer as -1, I can say that the given two lines are perpendicular, means at 90 degrees to each other. Or you can also see slopes are negative reciprocal. What is the negative and reciprocal of these? Negative and reciprocal of this is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is negative and reciprocal of this. Or -3 by 4 is negative and reciprocal of this. The slopes are negative and reciprocal to each other. Then also we can say lines are perpendicular. Or if the product of the slopes is -1, then also we can say that the lines are perpendicular to each other. So the lines are perpendicular to each other when the product of the slopes is -1, or the slopes are negative reciprocal to each other. Please see, if you don't understand, please stop me then and there. I'll try to explain again. So we learned two concepts. Two lines are parallel if they have same slopes or they have zero solutions. two lines are perpendicular when the slopes are negative reciprocal to each other, or product of the slopes is -1, product of the slopes of the lines is -1. Product of the slopes of the lines is -1. Product of the slopes of the lines is -1. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Now, where is this? My video went off again. Oh. Sorry, yeah. Now, what is the equation of line? Y is equal to mx plus c. What is the equation of line? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the best equation of line. There are many forms, but I always like y is equal to mx plus c because it is very easy to find slope and y-intercept. So I'll recap. I already explained, but I'm recapping most important. Now we'll do at least 3 to 4 questions, most important. So how to find equation of the line? Keep reading as how to find equation of the line. I already explained. Again, I'm recapping because now I'll do 3 to 4 questions on this, which is most important. 100% you get 2 questions on finding equation of line, parallel and perpendicular lines. If you know how to find equation of line and parallel and perpendicular lines, I'll assure you will get 2 to 3 questions in final SAT exam. 2 to 3 questions, minimum 2. If your luck is there, even you can get 4 questions. So, how to find equation of line? How to find equation of line? First, you need to collect any 2 points. From that, you will find the slope. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. First condition to find equation of line is you need to know 2 points, or you need to know slope and point. So what is the condition to find equation of line? First condition, you need to know 2 points or slope and point. Suppose I know 2 points. Assume the 2 points are 3, 5 and 6, 10 or 6, 9. Assume I know 2 points. See how I am finding equation of line. This becomes difficult. No, let it be 6, 12. Not 6, 11. Let the points be 3, 5 and 6, 11. So first find the slope. Whenever they give 2 points, find the slope. 11 minus 5 by 6 minus 3. 6 by 3, which is 2. Then immediately use equation of line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to 3x plus c. How do you find c? By plugging in any one point that you like. So 5 is equal to 3 into 3 plus c. 5 is equal to 9 plus c. C is minus 4. So I am very happy. Equation of line is y is 3x minus 4. So simple. If they give 2 points, first find the slope. Then you use y is equal to mx plus c. Plug in the value of m in the equation. I got 2 and I kept 3. Yeah? I'm extremely sorry. It should be only 2. 2x, 2 into 3, 6 plus 3. It is minus 1. So c is minus. Plug in the slope value in the function. To find c, you can take any point that you like. You can take any point you can like and plug it in the function. You will get the value of c. So equation of line is y is equal to 3x minus 1 is the equation of the line. Is the equation of the line. So I hope everyone understood how to find equation of line when 2 points are given. Most important concept for SAT. Find the slope, then use y is equal to mx plus c, plug in the slope. To find c, use any point that is given. You can use any point that is given, either 3, 5 or 6, 11. You get same answer. Next concept. Suppose slope and point is given. Suppose slope and point. Let the point be 6, 9. They gave slope and they gave point and they are asking you to find equation of line. Therefore, y is equal to, they gave already slope mx plus c, 3x plus c. And to find c, they gave a point. Plug in the point. 9 is equal to 3 into 6 plus c. 9 is equal to 18 plus c. C is minus 9. Therefore, y is equal to 3x minus 9. That should be answer. If they give slope, directly you'll use the equation y is equal to mx plus c and plug in the slope. To find c, you'll use the other point. If they give you slope and point, this is the method. If they give you 2 points, you'll find the slope and again the same method, same process. Next. We just discussed 2 lines are parallel when their slopes are same. 2 lines are perpendicular when the product of the slopes is -1. Using all these concepts that we learned, I'm going to do some good number of questions right now. We just discussed 2 lines are parallel when their slopes are same. And I also discussed 2 lines are perpendicular if the product of the slopes is -1. Okay, yeah, very good. Now, whatever I explained, based on that, we are going to do some questions. 116 is a bit difficult, but fairly doable question. If you don't know how to do, I have a trick, I'll tell you. I have trick for everything, nonsense method. But if you can do fair method, it becomes easy to get good score. If not, for every question I have a nonsense. Nonsense means some other method than the direct method. Please solve question number 116 and give me your answer, please. Please solve question number 116 and give me your answer.
A.
Saranya, you said answer as A, ma?
Yes, sir.
Saranya says answer as A, but I'm not sure. It can be correct or wrong. Others also, please don't give me your answer. For every question, I have a trick. But if you know the direct method, it becomes easy for you. So they give points. Take any 2 points. Take any 2 points that you like. This point, at this point, at these 2 points. You get same answer. Math is so powerful. If you follow the rules, you get same answer. So I'm taking points a comma 0 and 3a comma minus a. Take any 2 points. Find slope minus a minus 0 by 3a minus a minus a by 2a minus 1 by 2 is my slope. Therefore, y is equal to mx plus c minus 1 by 2x plus c. To find c, plug in this point. 0 is equal to minus a by 2 plus c, or c is a by 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus x by 2 plus a by 2. Take 2 other end. 2y is minus x plus a, or x plus 2y is equal to a. Happily, you can see this. If you are good in math, please do this process. Please see what I did on the board. Not difficult, but bit math process is there. I'm bit fast because SAT concept and speed both are important. So generally I'm very fast because if I am only taking 2-3 minutes, you will take 10 minutes. So generally I try to solve question in 10, 15, 20 seconds fast. so that you will get motivated and you will also try to do the question in less time. Please see what I did on the board. If you still have doubts or concerns or could not understand, you can unmute and ask me. I'll also tell nonsense method. I always pick nonsense as indirect methods. I'll also give you nonsense method how to solve this question about. This is the best way to solve question. You can take these 2 points also, you get same answer. So if you want more practice, take these 2 points and find the equation of line. Take these 2 points and find the equation of a line. Most important concept. If I have a line, on line I might have 100 points. Take any 2 points, slope will be same. Any 2 points. Any 2 points, your wish. Any 2 points on the line will have same slope. Most important. You think funny, but I'm sure you'll fail to apply this in exam. It looks simple, but most effective concept. Slope of a line always remains constant. Take any 2 points on the line that you like and try to find the slope. Final answer you get is straightforward. What you get final answer as? The final answer that you get is slope of the line is always remains the same. Okay. So Venkat, now tell me nonsense method. Nonsense method or the method is plugging in. So plug in x is equal to a and y equal to 0. If I plug in x is equal to a, y equal to 0, I got a equal to a should be correct. But since you are doing trial and error, even other options can be correct. So plug in x is equal to a, y equal to 0, a plus 0 is 5a. A can't be equal to 5a. 2a can't be equal to minus 5a. 2a can't be equal to 7a. God is on my side. None of the other options are satisfying. The only option that is satisfied is this. It might look nonsense method, but this is the best method because I solved it in 5 seconds. Actual method is taking me more than 30 to 40 seconds or 1 minute. No, both the ways. Try to be confident. Learn the complete strategies to solve this. We are experts at SAT or ACT or advanced placements. We are experts because we learned in and out how they ask questions, how to approach. Everything is we are very clear. That is why we happily say experts because not only we know about SAT, we know what type of questions they ask and what is the best way to approach the question, why other options are wrong, how not to solve the question is what you can learn from us. Okay, yeah. Learn both the ways. It might help you to get, but always give preference for conceptual method because you get answer. This nonsense or the shortcut method, sometimes you get stuck. You can see question number 110. Please try to give me answer for question number 110. Wherever they say linear function or constant growth, they meant y equal to mx plus c. Wherever they say constant growth or wherever they say linear function, they meant to say y is equal to mx plus.
Sir, is it B?
So Serenia says some answer. Even others try to solve. Everyone, competition. It is like a good competition. From next class, everyone make sure that your cameras are on. There will be a lot of difference when cameras are on and not on. Interaction, discussion, you'll be alert.
So B.
So
Sir, B.
Varun and Rehan says B. Serenia, you said B or C, Amma?
B.
We also said B. Okay, very good. I told you, right? Every question you can do in nonsense method means not straightforward and straightforward method. If you learn straightforward method, it becomes easy. Take any 2 points that you like. Any 2 points that you like. I am taking 5, 16.94 and 10, 21. Any 2 points. Find the slope. 21.89 minus 16.94 by 10 minus 5. This will be some 4.9 or something by 5. If you do, you'll get 0.99. You can use calculator. Always use calculator. I don't like to use calculator, so I'm not using Desmos calculator or normal physical calculator. Normal physical calculator should be with you. Both Desmos and normal calculator, both you should carry. For the simple calculations, you can't go to Desmos, type this and this. You should be able to type fast in hand. So I got slope as 0.99. There is only one line with slope 0.99, two lines, so either of them can be answered. So y is equal to 0.99x plus c. To find c, plug in any point. So 16.94 is equal to 0.99 into 5 pounds plus c. 16.94 minus approximately 4 point something. If you do, you'll get 11.99. So that is the reason A is wrong and B is correct. Please try to understand and do. If not, what you can do, you can just plug in 5 and see you're getting 16.94. No, you're getting here, you're getting here, you're getting no. So to solve again this, you'll try to plug in 10. If you plug in 10, you won't get here 21.89. You're going to get 21.89 here. So B for Bangalore is the answer. What we have, someone is disturbing you. You're fine, right? Or someone is disturbing you?
No, sir.
No, right? Yeah. So there are many questions. If you know this concept, there are many questions. You can see, yeah, try to solve this fast. Be fast. Give me answer for 109. You will get minimum 3 to 4 questions. Pakka. If I say it will happen. Take any 2 points. To find the equation of line, you need to take any 2 points. Everyone should do and give me your answer, please.
Sir, is it C?
Saranya says some answer.
Sir, C.
Okay. Very good. Sorry. Yeah. What is the answer? No one gave me answer. Video is on, no? Yes, it is on. Yeah. What is the answer?
C.
C.
Oh, you already told me answer. So take any 2 points. So one point is minus 4 comma 0. Other point is 0 comma minus 4. Minus 4 comma 0. Other point is 0 comma minus 4. Slope is 0 minus of minus 4 by minus 4 minus 0. 4 by minus 4 minus 1. Y is equal to minus x plus c. Plug in any point. X is minus 4. Y is 0. Therefore, c is minus 4. Y is equal to minus x. Sorry. Minus x minus 4. X plus y is minus 4. So C for Chennai should be answered. Same. You need to follow the concept that I told you. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. The moment you follow, yeah, other simple direct question are 106. Yet I can give me answer fast.
Sir, D.
Even others, everyone do it fast. Take it as a competition, and you need to try to solve and give me the answer fast. Take it as a competition.
Sir, it's D, sir.
DM Charni, very good. Last year, Meenakshi, please solve it. Come on, give me your answer.
Sir, D.
D, sir.
D, very good. So first find the slope. 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 0, 3 by 2. I can see only one line is slope of 3 by 2. So D for Delhi is answer. Don't waste time in seconds. Seconds we should get answer. Yeah, other 105. You'll get minimum 3 to 4 questions. If your luck is there, even 6, 7 can go, but minimum 3 to 4. Minimum 3 to 4. 105.
Sir, 2.
2 is the answer. Even others, please solve them and tell me answer. What can be answer for this question?
So,
Sir, 2.
Okay. So in the xy plane, line y has intercept. Y intercept of minus 13 means C is minus 13 and is perpendicular to the line with the equation minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 perpendicular means it should be 3 by 2. So slope is 3 by 2. Slope, y intercept is minus 13. So y is equal to 3x by 2 minus 13. Point 10 comma b is passing through it. So b is equal to 3 by 2 into 10 minus 13. 15 minus 13, 2 is the answer. 2 is my wonderful and best and perfect answer. Okay. So you have so many questions. You please complete those 75 questions, and there are 120 questions in this. Some of them might overlap because that is also actual questions. These are also actual questions. We have almost 120, 120 plus 190. I have more questions. If you can solve 200 actual questions in linear functions, you'll become perfect. No other questions will come outside of this. Means 25% of the questions, means approximately 11 to 12 questions comes from linear equations alone. So please, from bottom 120 at top, try to solve. When I meet in next class, I know which is other next concept important. I'll explain you that first. That next class is on Tuesday, right? Yeah. Whenever I see you on Tuesday, I'll explain you that. Please solve that. Okay. Attend all the classes without failure. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have English, right? Attend the classes without fail, and I'll see you in the next class. Huh? Okay. Okay. Take care. Bye. I'll see you in the next class. Complete this one.